Welcome to another in our series of Docs Tips videos. This is where we share useful information for you, the Worldox user. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you how to use the comments field feature. This is a very useful feature since it saves you time looking for your documents. When you save a document, the comments field allows you to enter unique and personal information about the file. Then when you're searching for documents, simply enter that unique and personal information in the search field to locate those documents quickly. It is fast and easy. Let me show you where to enter comments and how it works. As a document is saved, you can enter notes or unique words in the description field on the File Save form by hitting your return key in the description field. Up to 5,000 characters of comments can be added. This is a great place to enter something unique about the file or meaningful to you so that you can find it easier later. Here we are going to save a new document. Hit your return key in the description field, enter unique comments, and save the file. Now over in your Worldox file list window, click your search tab, enter your comments in the search field, click search, and Worldox will return the documents that meets that search criteria. If you don't see comments showing in your file list window, come up to your button bar, select Comments and List, Show Hide, and now you'll see your comments underneath the description of your file. Comments can be added at any time to any document. Simply select the document in the list, click Edit Metadata, hit your return key in the description field, enter your comments, and click Update. And now you'll see your comments underneath of that document. And that is as easy as it is to use the comments feature in Worldox. Hope you enjoyed our Docs tip of the week. See you next time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Click in the link in the description below for information on our Worldox Academy, where we take you from novice to expert at your own pace. Thank you.